Hi, I'm Bahar Gidwani. I'm co-founder and CTO of CSRHub. I'm going to show you how to use the Enter Company Names part of our dashboard. Now we have a separate name lookup sheet, and then this Enter Company Name sheet is part of all of our dashboards. I've cleaned out this center area here of the old information. I'm going to go and get myself a new set of information. Here is an article from Visual Capitalist on the hardest hit companies of the COVID downturn. I've carefully selected a set of these companies. I'm going to copy them. I'm going to paste them over here into Excel. And there's my list of company names that I'm interested in and the tickers I'm interested in. Copy these from this Excel sheet into the dashboard. Put it right here. And you'll notice I've lined up the tickers under the Enter Ticker column. If I had ISIN numbers, I could put them in here. But the idea is supposed to be to make it as easy as possible for you just to put in a bunch of names, a bunch of tickers, ISINs. If you didn't have names, you could just put in ISINs, whatever combination you're interested in. Okay, we're ready to calculate. The sheet's now recalculated, and I can see all of my company names here. If you're having trouble seeing these because they're little tiny things, you can always make this bigger so you can see it. It's just a convenient way of keeping everything within the cell. Looks like the right set of companies, and now I could use this set of official CSRHub company names in any other work I'm doing. Notice that CSRHub adds things like Inc. and Corp. and comma Incs. Each one of these companies, we have our official name, what we call our canonical name. That's our internal name we refer to them by. If you use this name, you're always going to get things right. Now, it's interesting to see that some of all the simple names worked out well, but some of the tickers didn't quite match up. Let's just make that bigger so you can see. You can see this ticker, MAR, came up with the match of malachite. This is because tickers are often ambiguous. In fact, there's a lot of ambiguities in these kinds of data. Here's Venky's turns out to have a ticker of WH as well. And which company is going to come up first for a particular search can be a bit odd, a bit unclear. We always pick, if we can, first the ISIN match, then the name match, and then the ticker match. So since the name matched correctly for Vail and for Wyndham and for Marriott, we got right answers here. But let's say we only had tickers. We wanted to make sure we got the right answer. One thing you can do is you can fine-tune your search with a new tool that we added over here on the right. And what you can do is you can decide that you want to exclude the smaller companies that aren't as well known by setting the not rated and partially rated companies turned off. So now we're only looking at fully rated companies, the ones that are the most famous ones. Those are the ones you're most likely going to be most interested in. We'll calculate again, and we'll see this update now. Well, looks like now we have Marriott matching properly, Wyndham matching properly, and we've matched the, oh, nope, we've still got a problem here. Instead of Vail Resorts, we're getting the MTN group. You may always have little problems left over like this, and if they show up here in your column H, which is what you're going to be using elsewhere, you can fix them by going to the CSRHub menu, clicking on the company button. This will pop up a little lookup, just like on the website. And if I type in here, Vail Resorts, let's see. Oh, there's the right answer. If I double click on it, it'll paste it in here. And this is now a pasted answer rather than a formula, but it's the right answer, and it's going to make sure things work well. That's it for this sheet. Hope that it was helpful. If you have any issues or questions, you can email me at bahar@csrhub.com. Thanks again.